Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. As time rolled on, we have completely forgotten our very own traditional rice varieties. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a very delicious paniyaram using the Mappalai Samba and the Ponga rice varieties. It is so simple and easy to make. So let's get started. These are the two rice varieties, Mappalai Samba, that is the bridegroom's rice, and the Ponga rice, that is the women's rice. The Ponga rice helps in solving the hormonal problems of women and helps during the pregnancy time. The Mappalai Samba rice strengthens the muscles and nerves and improves our immunity and stamina. Please check the description box for more health benefits of these rice varieties. Take a bowl, add around 1 cup of Ponga rice to it. Then add 1 cup of Mappalai Samba rice along with it. Wash the rice for around 3 to 4 times nicely and then pour enough water and soak it overnight. In another bowl, add half a cup of urad dal to it. Then add half a cup of moong dal. Pour some water. Wash them nicely and then soak it for around 1 to 2 hours. Take a mixer jar, add the rice to it. Then add the dal. Now I am going to grind this to get the batter. The batter is ready. It should be slightly thick in the dropping consistency like this. Place a kadai on the stove. Add around 3 teaspoons of oil to it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add around 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Add around 1 teaspoon of jeera and half a teaspoon of hing. Then add the green chilies. Now add the fresh curry leaves to it. Saute them. Now finally add the onions. Saute them nicely until the onion changes its color. After a minute, when the onion is nicely cooked, we are going to switch off the flame and we are going to add this to the batter. Add the tempering to the batter. Now finally, add the freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything nicely. Add the salt according to your taste. Now the batter is ready. We can make the paniyarams now. Place a paniyaram kadai on the stove. I am using the non-stick kadai. When the kadai is hot, add the oil. Fill the kadai with the batter. The history behind the name Mappalai Samba is really interesting. During the olden days in Tamil Nadu, on his wedding day, a bridegroom, who is referred to as Mappilai in Tamil, is required to lift a heavy rock in front of everybody to show off his strength and mental stability. So in order to boost his energy before this task, this rice was cooked and fed to the new son-in-law. So that is how this rice was given the name as Mapile Samba. Add some oil on top of the paniyaram so that it won't become dry. Now I am going to cover this with a lid and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, I am just removing the lid to check if the paniyaram is done on one side. Yes, it is done. So I am just going to flip it on the other side. Slowly, one by one. Once the paniyaram is perfectly cooked on both the sides, you can remove them from the kadai. A very healthy and delicious paniyaram is ready. Please do try this recipe at your home. Share your comments with me. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Let's spread the love for food.